The Sounds of Spring quiz. Question 1. What is your name? For questions 2, 3, and 4, please choose the answer that best matches the sentence. Question 2. A yellow powder that comes from flowers and trees. Hatch, hibernate, pollen. Question 3. A bird comes out of an egg. Hatch, hibernate, pollen. Question 4. Animals sleep during winter and wake up in spring. Hatch, hibernate, pollen.